So this is what a crystal clear R50 Mini Cooper headlight looks like. Very clean, very shiny, and shout out to one of our friends who wraps these very well, may I say. If you ever want anything wrapped on your car, definitely let us know and we'll get you in touch with this lovely young fella. But this is what's a bad one. Oh, to be fair, on the camera it don't look any different. No, not really. You can really tell a little bit.
Yeah, you can just tell it's
you can see it's a bit misty. So yeah, you can see it there. It's a bit.
We bought this. Well, I bought this just to see if we can restore it a little bit. I didn't really do any research. I literally just typed in headlight lens restore on Amazon and did a buy. So it comes with like spray lubricant, clarifying compound, a base coat wipe, lens sealing wipe, and then like loads of little sandpaper things. It was only a tenner, and I thought it was a pretty good deal considering like buying 4 sheets of sandpaper is going to cost you a fair bit because you can't really buy them singly. Well, we can't around here. There's obviously somewhere you can, but around here you can't buy them singly. So I'm not going to go through the instructions because there's about a million different ones, but we're just going to show you the process of doing it, what the outcome is it worth it, and get off my headlight. Matt's just going to film me doing it in random parts, and we're just going to see if this kit is actually as good as it claims, because
it's worth it
on here that that's what mine looks like at the moment. That's what I want to get it to. I'm not expecting like I'm not expecting like brand new headlights, because at the end of the day otherwise no one would ever buy new headlights, would they? But just a little bit clearer.
Just get it, yeah, make it look a bit more like the other side.
Yeah. It doesn't come with a cotton glove, so we're using my shorts because it got stain on them and they were going to charity anyway. Actually, no, they
we're very charitable people. Oh, never mind.
Well, I can't really give. I suppose people wouldn't have a cotton mark.
Yeah, they don't care if they got a bit of a blue skid mark, do they?
I don't even know what it was. Makes me think like, did I lean on the polo at like the wrong time or something?
Actually, yeah, it's a very similar colour, isn't it?
Oh, right, that.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Look at that.
Oh, it feels horrible.
Does it?
Yeah, it's like not nice to like. Oh, it's come through the shorts.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's like proper. It's not like smooth at all.
Oh, do you want me to hold the bag?
Yeah, go on then. So what have I got to do after that? Rub compound oil over your entire headlight using firm pressure. Buff with clean soft cotton. If the headlight does not come out clean, then process with clarifying component. Proceed to step 4. So apparently this can actually help it on its own. Which should be fair.
It is, to be honest.
It's taking that first layer.
Yeah.
Oh, God, look at that.
Oh, hold on. Oh yeah. You got little finger marks.
Like, and I haven't even got makeup on, so it's like not off my hand or anything. That is literally from the headlight.
I feel like we need some nice little music. It's like dun, 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 dun,
we need like Rocky theme tune.
Dun, dun. I can't think how it goes. Oh no.
Dun, 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 dun,
dun, dun, dun. It's the eye of the tiger. It's the weight of the fight. Rising up to do something, something, something.
I'll use a bit more because that has brought out a heck of a lot, hasn't it?
So to be fair, you can see a lot of difference.
This is the clean bit of cotton, just to show you how much has actually come off.
It's the
good thing is, well, there's loads of that.
Yeah, you could probably do like my car as well if I needed them.
I was only going to do one, but if this one comes out better than the other one, then I'll have to do the other one as well.
It's the eye of the tiger.
But basically, it's just a lot of elbow grease, so I'll update you very soon.
Yes.
Step like 2. So all we've done is put that stuff on, and now I've got to spray.
It looks so much better, doesn't it?
Spray some on this, and basically you've just got to sand until.
It's basically each side just a different grade of sandpaper, isn't it?
Yeah. But I can notice a difference.
I can as well, to be honest.
It was only because the only reason I really was that bothered about doing it is because obviously we got the wrapped, didn't we?
Well, you can see. Or I doubt you see it on the camera. But like the drips coming down, you can see are like dirty.
No, I'm thinking about catching them because I don't actually know what it is. I don't think it's anything bad. I think probably just spray lubricant is probably water.
Yeah, it's
professional detailer's formula. It's probably like just detailer.
Yeah, probably.
Just to keep the
just tap water.
Headlight like moist, isn't it?
So what stage are we on now?
We are just got to wipe the headlight off of everything. And pretty much it just says you've got to go basically back to step 1 and use more of the clarifying compound, rub back and forth until the headlight clarifies. Then you've got to let it dry to a haze and then buff with a cotton cloth, and then you use the
wipes.
the wipes. So what are these wipes? Base coat and then sealing. Yes, so the sealing obviously stops it from coming back again. And then I don't know. I'm just reading it as I go along. You know, it feels smoother, definitely, but it's still not quite as clear. But I don't want to, you know, jump to a conclusion yet. So we've still got a couple more bits to do. Let's go.
Go, 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 it's magic.
So yeah, back to step one basically, but this time we've got to put it on and just leave it to dry. Video, you're supposed to put gloves on.
So we're on the wipe stage now.
The gloves are in the box, but I've chosen not to use them.
I mean, she's got working hands, you know.
And I've got the most sensitive skin in the world, so I'm probably not doing myself any favours.
You're not very clever though, right? But
on my hands though, I'm
but you
right.
could tell on here that it does look a lot better.
So yeah, can I just throw this out there, like, I bought this kit with my own money, they didn't send it to me, they haven't made me do this review because I just get so annoyed when people get stuff sent to them and they're like, oh it's great, and it's like, no, you've been paid to say that.
Yeah, like it could be terrible.
We bought this with our own money, I haven't been sent it, they don't even know I bought it on Amazon, next day delivery, done. I'm just putting it out there for someone that, like, you know, is thinking of doing it, doesn't take much time, you don't have to be interested in cars to do it. You basically just doing a bit of marketing.
No, if you just want your car to look a bit say if you want to resell your car and you got a bit of a shitty headlight, do it. It'll bump the value up.
You yourself like over 100 quid.
Yeah.
Than buying a new headlight.
Well,
the headlights are different depending on what car. I mean, my Polo was £25 a headlight, so.
Was it?
Yeah.
Jesus, mine's like 150.
So to be honest, if it was buy a new headlight or use this kit on the Polo, I'd probably just buy a new headlight.
Yeah.
So see, this is why this is not sponsored, because I wouldn't be able to say that.
No.
Oh, see, I've only got James's work. I actually can't get over that.